If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. This encapsulates the essence of the doves, the altruistic wing of Nocturnity, where the journey is not a solitary race, but a collective voyage towards mutual growth and understanding. In today's world, the fabric of our communities is torn by invisible yet powerful forces of division. Everywhere we look, we see signs of fragmentation. It's not just the obvious political divides that capture the headlines. It's deeper, more insidious. It's in the quiet detachment between neighbors, the unspoken tensions within families, and the growing alienation we feel in crowded places. Even within religions, institutions meant to foster unity and understanding, division rears its ugly head. Different sects, denominations, interpretations, what should be a source of strength becomes a ground for discord. This isn't about theological nuances. It's about people being driven apart by what should bring them together. Think about it. When was the last time you felt a genuine connection with someone from a different walk of life? When did you last feel part of a community that transcended superficial differences? If you're struggling to remember, you're not alone. It's a symptom of a deeper sickness, a world that's forgotten the art of living together. And it's not just out there. It's in the subtle shifts in our own hearts, the hesitation to reach out, the quickness to judge, the reluctance to understand. These are the small ways in which we contribute to the very division we despise. In this maze of separation and solitude, the hunger for a real connection, for a sense of belonging that goes beyond labels and boundaries, grows ever stronger. It's a hunger for a world where we see reflections of ourselves in each other, irrespective of the invisible lines we've drawn in our minds. As daunting as this landscape of division may seem, there lies a path forward, a path illuminated by the ethos of the doves, a path that promises a return to unity, to the heart of what it means to be truly human. In a world fragmented by division and discord, the doves within Nocturnity offer a beacon of hope. They represent not just a group, but a philosophy, a way of life that bridges gaps and heals wounds. The essence of the doves is about transcending the artificial barriers we erect between us. Imagine a community where your background, your beliefs, your past mistakes don't define you, where you're valued for who you are at your core, a human being seeking connection, understanding, and growth. This is the sanctuary that the doves create. It's easy to feel lost in the chaos of modern life, to feel like just another face in the crowd. But as a dove, you're part of something bigger. You're part of a movement that sees beyond the superficial, that recognizes the inherent worth in every individual. In Nocturnity, the doves are the embodiment of compassion and altruism. They remind us that, at our best, we humans are not solitary creatures, but part of a vibrant, interdependent community. They remind us that our greatest strength comes not from standing apart, but from standing together. Each of us has known the sting of isolation, the coldness of indifference. But have you ever experienced the warmth of genuine acceptance, the power of loving support? This is what the doves bring to the table. It's not just about giving. It's about creating a space where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. So if you're tired of the walls that divide, if you're seeking a place where you can truly belong, look no further. The doves invite you to join them in this journey of unity and love. A journey towards a world where we celebrate our differences, not as barriers, but as bridges to a richer, more fulfilling life. Amidst the myriad paths within Nocturnity, the doves chart a course of heartfelt compassion and selfless service. Inspired by the teachings of revered figures like Buddha, Jesus, and the Stoics, they are the embodiment of empathy and action. The doves resonate with Buddha's middle way, embracing balance. Their actions are neither lost in extreme self-sacrifice nor in self-indulgence, but rather they find harmony in serving others and nurturing their own spirit. Inspired by Jesus' teachings on love and sacrifice, the doves emphasize the strength of community and interconnectedness. Their selfless acts are done with a keen awareness of their ripple effect, much like Jesus advocated for unity and compassion within a community. Adopting Stoicism's rationality, the doves act thoughtfully, ensuring their choices benefit both the individual and Nocturnity as a whole. Their decisions are weighted with reason, mirroring the Stoic belief in acting according to nature and logic. The doves engage in daily rituals like gratitude journaling, acts of kindness, and mindful connections to foster a generous spirit. These practices are not just routines, but acts of transformation, deepening their empathy and readiness to serve. As a dove, your journey is not just about aiding others, it's a path of inner discovery and growth. Every act of kindness is a step towards understanding the deepest, most genuine part of yourself. Embrace this path with the doves, and together, let's create a legacy of love, peace, and true concern that touches lives and uplifts the soul. In this journey of life, amidst the chaos and the noise, there lies a profound truth. The power to make a difference lies within each of us. The doves of Nocturnity embody this truth. They remind us that in helping others, we find the richest fulfillment and the deepest joy. Their path is not just about kindness, it's about transformation for others and for ourselves. If this message resonates with you, if you feel that urge to be a part of something bigger, to not just exist, but to actively make the world a better place, then I invite you to join us. Join our community on School, where we nurture this spirit of giving and growing together. Here, in our shared journey, you'll find a family of like-minded souls, all dedicated to making the world a better place. Together, we can spread wings of compassion and soar to new heights of empathy and understanding. Join us and be a part of the movement that changes lives, one act of kindness at a time.